Our next Watercolor Live session is Monday, the 4th of May. We're going to be focusing on light, but to be perfectly honest, we're going to be focusing on light for the next few weeks. My goal with this new series that we have is to really delve into the different qualities of light, meaning diffused light, direct light, strong light, soft light, all the different kinds of light that you can find that completely alter your subject and the atmosphere of your subject. And we all know that light is actually fundamental to the whole atmosphere of a painting. So you need to understand how to get your light right, to get it believable, and make your light work for your subject. Don't make your light squash your subject, dominate your subject. They need to work together. You want your subject to be enhanced by the kind and quality of the light that you have in your painting, not being over drowned out or over dominated and just like become non-existent because the light is so strong. So in this week's painting, what I want to do is focus on that soft light, that beautiful light that you see often, and you do see in this photo, which is just so diffused. It's so beautiful and elegant and timeless. That's the kind of light that I want. And it means really understanding how it works, because every single subject has to have the same light source on it. It's the sun, so it's the same light source. It's not always the case if it's an interior, but it is in this sort of scene. And so the light has to be the same. It has to be credible, whether it touches the tree, it touches the trunk of the tree, touches the sheep, it touches the grass, it touches all the different areas, and the light and the shadow have to correspond. So if light is an issue, is something that you want to work and you want to develop in your paintings, you're going to find in the next few weeks, we're going to be working on all different kinds of lights. I love light. I absolutely love working the effects of light, whether that be reflections, whether that be soft light or direct light or indirect light and diffused light. All of these different kinds of lights absolutely change your paintings. So that's what we're going to be doing this Monday, the 4th of May. And if you want to join me, then feel free to paint along with me during the live. And of course, you'll get a critique of your painting done during the live. And by inscribing, you'll also get the link so that you can watch the replay as many times as you like. And in this live session, you're going to learn about a different artist, an artist who, let's just say, it's a surprise, let's just say, was a master of light, far more than anything else, an absolute master of light. So I'll save that one for you. You'll see. And it's 100% along the lines of what we're doing this Monday, because I think we can learn from the past, and I think that we can always learn from different artists, but particularly from different eras, because different periods of art had different styles, different ideas, different ways of doing things, different understanding. And so I think we can gain a lot from that. So with all that said, I shall see you this Monday. Take care. Bye.